Hi everybody, it's me Rion. I'm so excited today because it's my first time making a video. And let's see, I'm 10 years old. I love games. I wonder if you guys like games as well. Speaking of games, let's talk about the games. So I think how much games would there be? Oh, there might be 6 or 7. If you guys know me, 6, 7. Now, speaking of games, let's go through them. We got It Takes Two, we got Overcooked, we got Need for Speed. Wait, let's take Need for Speed out and we go. Anyway, now we took Need for Speed out. Now we only have 2 games. Wait, let me just go to my pocket and we add Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, Call of Duty. Wait, I said duty or duty. Anyway, don't really matter. Anyway, now we'll see. Anime. I can make animations of the TV and stuff. So I can make animations, and that's 7 games if you know what I mean. Yeah. So that's all the games I'm going to be going through. But thank you for listening to my channel, because it's a big thank you for you guys who's listening to this, because I always wanted to become a YouTuber. But thank you. Bye.